Hi everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're all doing well. I am here to share with you some of my finished files. It's been a while since I shared some of my printables, so I'm super excited today. I've got quite a few to share, so I will try to keep this short and simple and sweet. So I hope that you stay till the end of this video. Okay, first up, this is the Botanical Junk Journaling Cards, set of 30. Each sheet has 5 cards, and each card measures 3 by 4.5 inches. I chose pastel colors so they will fit with any color scheme you're using, whether you're making your own journal or you're just writing in your journal. This will work. And the images, I believe, are beautiful: flowers, birds, butterflies, plants, and each card has an inspirational quote to bring you joy as you write, give you inspiration as well. And the colors are soothing and give you a calm and peaceful vibe. Next is the Botanical Vintage Junk Journal Pages. This is a set of 10 printable journal sheets, and I use soft pastel colors. These pages are wonderful to be paired with the Botanical Junk Journaling Cards, and they can create a cohesive and beautiful journaling set. I intentionally faded the images of flowers, butterflies, and birds because I wanted to provide a serene and inspiring background when you write. So, this is wonderful to use for a writing journal. Next printable is the affirmation cards for busy professional. This again is instant download, and it includes 30 beautifully designed cards covering essential areas like empowerment, self-care, wellness, relationships, success, prosperity, manifestation, and inner peace. Affirmations are positive statements that can help challenge and overcome negative thoughts. And for busy professionals like most of us, affirmations can really be a powerful tool to maintain focus, to stay calm, and to keep grounded amidst the daily pressures of life. Next, we have the positive affirmation cards for mothers. These are designed to uplift and empower moms through the beautiful journey of motherhood. I actually created these cards for my daughter because she is a very, very busy mom. She has 4 kids, and the youngest is only 6 months old. And I know for a fact that she faces daily challenges. So I want her to find joy and fulfillment in her role to boost her confidence and happiness. And hopefully, these cards help her. And hopefully, the other moms can find this useful as well. Next, we have the chakra balancing affirmation cards. And this is honestly one of my favorites. I use this every day. So, chakras are the energy centers in our body that influence our physical, our emotional, our spiritual health. We have 7 chakras. And when these are balanced, we can feel grounded. We are more present, more positive, especially when facing daily challenges. And honestly, I've had my share of health challenges. And I find that when I read these cards and do the affirmations every day, I am happier, I am more calm, I'm more grounded. Really, I am more present. So these affirmations I find incredibly beneficial. So for these cards, I used solid color backgrounds that correspond to each chakra. And I also added lotus and meditation pose illustration. The image also shows where the chakra point is located in the body. And these affirmations can be read during your morning meditation. You can read this to set a positive tone for the day, first thing in the morning. You can also read this during your evening reflection. End your day by choosing a card to focus on during your evening meditation or reflection. Or you can just read it any time of the day to make you happy and to keep you positive. The next set is the 30 Days of Positivity. These cards feature a harmonious blend of pastel and vibrant colors, and I added images that complement each affirmation. The size on this card is different from the rest. This is a square 4 by 4, and I also read this every day. I have my own set and I love these affirmations. So I hope that you will find this beneficial to you as well. You can again read this during the day or in the morning to set a positive tone for the day. You can read this at night as well, or read this while you journal or when you journal. Add this on your gratitude as well. And this includes everything from goal setting, being positive as well, being happy, attracting success that you want. I read this because there are things that I want to manifest in my life and I know they are coming. So let's just stay positive and really focus on our goals. And these affirmations can help you do that. Okay, so this set is geared towards goal setting. So this is affirmations more for attracting success, attracting abundance, manifesting our desires, achieving our goals. And I use the same background to all cards. This is a peach color pastel. I have also the textured blue and white background color. The affirmations are beautiful and the images complement each affirmation. So different from the 30 days of positivity, but these are also powerful affirmations. And again, I use them every day too because I have so many desires that I want to happen. And I am hoping and believing in the power of the affirmations. And then we have the inspirational devotion cards, also available as instant download and physical product if you wish. And these scriptures talk about the strength, the love, the abundance of God's promises. And each card is crafted with a combination of pastel and brighter colors. This can uplift your spirit and serve as a reminder of God's goodness. So these cards are perfect for reading in the morning, at night as well, or anytime you need spiritual guidance. The Bible scriptures in this set are also among my favorites, so I hope that you will like this too. So there you go, everyone. These are my new printable. They are available in my Etsy shops. The devotion cards are available at Purely Personal Gifts. and the botanical files and the affirmation cards are available at NeldasCrafts. They are available as instant download or deck of cards. If you cannot print them for some reasons and you just want to receive the physical products, I have them available. And they are not expensive, they are very affordable. So I hope that you like these listings, and I hope that these cards bring you peace, joy, and a deeper connection with God's promises, deeper understanding of yourself as well. And I will see you next week. I will be back because I'm part of the collaboration by Rish and Bella Crafts. It's called Hearty Collaboration, and my turn to present is June the 15th. So I hope that you will support me there and support the Hearty collaboration. Everyone is doing awesome job. I've been watching all the videos. So two presenters every day until the 15th. So I'm actually on the last day and my topic is harmony. So I hope to see you then. Bye now. Thank you so much again. Take care. God bless you.